Good early morning flight to Jaipur today, and we come in early so that we can have nice breakfast at the Bangalore Lounge. These days, if you hold any of these major credit cards, you get free lounge access at least once in a quarter, depending on the type of credit card that you have. And we have an Axis Bank credit card which allows you unlimited access during the year. So these lounges provide throughout the day breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The breakfast is typical breakfast items. Now you have idli, bread, butter, jam, and to go with idli you have chutney, you have omelette, and you have upma, you have two types of juices, and you have a variety of dessert as well. So you can have a very good breakfast to start the day and not depend on the airlines to serve. Then you can buy, because these days on a low cost ticket you don't get anything unless you buy any of those things on the board. So nice cookies. So that's a nice breakfast that we have before you board the flight, and probably you can carry some banana with you on the flight, and nice spacious lounges. And there's a board there to keep track of your flights. And TV programs are aired depending upon what is available. And then you have packaged juice, olives, and so on and so forth. You can take one for you and not carry many. There's this board which says only for consumption on the premises. There's a coffee and cornflakes and nice biscuits. Yeah, very good. And that's Bangalore 1, and then we now go back and get ready for boarding our flights. Today, no aero bridge, and we board through the ground transportation and through using one of those Indigo blue buses. And Terminal 1, you clearly see the dominance of Indigo Airlines. Everywhere is that blue Indigo, because here you have either Indigo, SpiceJet, or Akasa Air. Go Air is out, and now Indigo is the dominant player, very dominant player. So it's now soon will become Indigo versus Air India, the fight. So we board through a flight of stairs, and early morning, still raining and droplets, and then now the fresh white Indigo, that dual color is gone, and now most of these aircrafts carry the livery of white livery. These are one of the latest 320 Neo aircrafts. And I have actually, normally as I do, I buy the Flexi flight tickets so that I can get free seats in the front, and that's today is 6 C and D, and getting nice view out of the window.
2 hours and 15 minutes to reach.
Now getting ready for departure. The stairs have been moved away, and we are pushing back onto the tarmac for taxiing onto the runway. I think today all the signs point out that we take off from the old runway, which is closer to Terminal 1, and Bangalore is now the number 3 most busy airport in India. Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. And also it has a very substantial presence on the cargo, as you can see, and the cargo volumes also are picking up. That's the WFS Bangalore International. Now we are proceeding to the old runway on the eastern side. Picking up speed for a takeoff.
Airborne.
And we're airborne now. In it's unbelievable. 18 years of been.
Flexi plate food on board. You have
Benefits of Flexi Plus. So you get one item of choose. I have chosen paneer tikka, and my wife has chosen the magic masala upma, magic upma. Yeah, that's correct. And you get one beverage, either a cold drink or a coffee or tea. And we have chosen masala chai today. The nice one. It just fills you up. But we just had a breakfast. We'll keep it for the rainy day and have it later. So right now, so we are going to cruising altitude, and cruising towards Jaipur. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and we will bring you more of these videos soon. Keep watching out my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I loved you guys watching this video. Thank you. Have a great day.